Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for 9th of November 2020. If you would like to receive those videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And before I jump into the trading ideas, let me announce the winner of the contest for the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning the profile. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the flexible volume profile. The only thing you need to do to participate in that contest is to leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And the next week, in the next video, I randomly pick one person to win my flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for that. Let's now go into the trading ideas. The first trading idea which I would like to show you is on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. All those charts show the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Every chart is with a different setting. This one is a 60-minute chart with weekly volume profile. This one is a 30-minute chart with flexible volume profile. That's a volume profile which you can move around like this. And this chart is a 15-minute chart where I have 4-hour volume profiles. Those are fixed profiles which get automatically printed every 4 hours. So that's for the layout. Let me now show you the trading idea. It is an intraday trading idea. It's a resistance which is at 1.3126, and it is nicely visible in here on the 60-minute chart with the weekly profile. If you look at the profile in here, and then you can see that this place, the place where the second heaviest volumes throughout that week were accumulated. The weekly point of control is in here, but second to that there's this area, heavy volume area, and most of those volumes were accumulated in here in this rotation, and also heavy volumes were accumulated in here. You can see that section right there. And from that place where the heavy volumes got accumulated, there was a strong selling activity, strong sellers pushing the price downwards from there. So what I expect is that when the price makes it back to this area again, I expect that the sellers from this area will start defending their shorts, and they're likely to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's the reasoning behind the resistance on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. It is at 1.3126. Now the next trading idea is on the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, so let's have a look at it. So this is the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Let's first have a look at the 60-minute chart. There was a downtrend, then a rotation, and a new strong buying activity, new uptrend starting from here. So what caught my eye was the rotation in here. And let me show you that on the 30-minute chart in here. It's better visible there. So in that rotation, heavy volumes were accumulated, and from there, from those volumes, the new uptrend started. This is the start of the new uptrend right there. And those heavy volumes are most likely volumes of buyers who are building up their long positions there before rejecting the lower prices in here with that pin bar and starting to push the price upwards. So this is what happened before the uptrend started. Heavy volumes created in here. This is a volume accumulation setup, and what I expect is that when the price makes it back to this level again, to 113.99, I think that the buyers who accumulated their longs in here before the trend change, I think that those guys will try and push the price upwards from there again. They'll be trying to defend their longs which they placed in here, and they'll start aggressive buying from this place, and if they succeed, they'll push the price upwards from there again. Alright, so that's why I think this is a strong support level to watch for. Now another trading idea which I would like to share with you is on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, so let's have a look at it. So those charts show the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and what I have in here is a setup which I call the trend setup. You can read about it, for example, in my book, or learn more about it in my video course. I trade this setup when there is a strong trend, like in here, strong uptrend, nicely visible on the 60-minute chart as well as on the 30-minute chart. And when there is a trend like that, I look for significant volume clusters, significant places where heavy volumes were accumulated. In here, I have this one. Heavy volumes accumulated within an uptrend. This means that buyers who are pushing the price upwards were adding to their long positions in here within this rotation, and afterwards they continued pushing the price even higher. So the main idea behind this setup is that when the price makes it back to this area, to this volume cluster again, those buyers from this area should start defending their longs and to push the price upwards from there again. The heaviest volumes in that rotation in this volume cluster were created right there at 0.6696, which I think is the strongest support level. This level is also nicely visible if you look at the weekly fixed profile. It is not the weekly point of control. The weekly point of control is in here, but it's also very nicely visible. It is in here, right there in the middle of the profile. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, then go and visit my website. It is trader-dale.com. And in here, you go to trading course and tools. And what I recommend getting is the Elite pack. It is a training pack which teaches you how to trade with a volume profile. This is the Elite pack, and it consists of volume profile video course, which is a 15-hour long course on trading with volume profile and a price action. It also consists of my personal trading levels. You'll get those every day. Those are daily trading levels as well as swing trading levels. You will also get my volume profile pack, which is a pack of my volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8 and for MetaTrader 4. And as a bonus, you'll get free VWAP indicator and my book, The Insider's Guide to Trading. All that is included in the recommended pack, in the Elite pack. Now there's also a bonus to all that. You can read it in here. It is a free tech support for Elite pack and also for the Overflow pack. And what that free tech support means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you. They'll set up all the indicators. They will load all my trading workspaces, which I personally use. They'll set up a data feed for you, and they'll do that for free using TeamViewer. Alright, so you won't really need to read any manuals. They'll set it up all for you, and you'll be all set to go. Alright, this way you will be able to focus on trading and not really into setting all that up before you even get started. So anyways, that's for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it interesting and useful. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, and until then, happy trading.